The element of dentistry is low trauma, fast therapy, reliable therapy, predictability. So I think that immediacy will be the big topic. Replace a tooth immediately, which means help fast, help low trauma, make it affordable, and be a little bit less aggressive and traumatic than we were in the 90s and the early 2000s. A little bit less grafting and more patient-friendly.
The headlines, I would say it is towards greater things, and we're looking into greater things because we've been into an era that was completely different, but we learned from it. And now we are going to apply everything that we learn from this. And I believe that the success and the expansion that we are going to have in our own lives and the way we see ourselves is going to change a lot to the better.
For the next year, I'm totally focused on making smaller surgical procedures with less aggression, surgical aggression, that will promote faster recovery and better outcomes for the patients. And I think digital dentistry will help me with that, for sure.
Now, the main topics for us in Auris Dental as a whole group is focusing on the digital customer experience, as we say. It's used to be called a patient journey, but to us it's a customer experience. So it's all about the digitalization of all of the parts, from attracting the patients, to booking the appointment, to communicating with us, to being in the office, to be monitored afterwards, and also to keep in contact with them. So it's all about getting ourselves up to the most available point on the digital customer experience.